Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to cancel Roblox Premium, and this is the most up-to-date method as of filming in 2021. If you do find this helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Also, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So it's actually very simple to do this. What we're going to do first is open up a new browser and come to roblox.com. And if you're not already, what you want to do is just go ahead and log into your account. And then from here, from your account page, what you want to do is click the settings icon. So if you come to this gear icon up in the top right hand corner and give that a click, and then click onto settings. And then from here, all you need to do is go to the menu on the left hand side, and what you want to do is come down and click onto billing. And this way you'll be able to cancel. So what's going to happen, I'm not actually a member of Premium because I don't really play Roblox as much anymore. But if you are a member, instead of saying join, it's going to have a box like this, but it will say cancel renewal. And all you need to do is go ahead and give that a click to cancel your subscription. Obviously the benefits of being a premium member is if you click on join, it's going to go through and tell you what you get. So exclusive items and discounts, you get monthly Robux free on your subscription every month, and you get stuff like premium only levels, items, boosters, lots of good stuff really. So it's quite good if you do play Roblox quite a bit. But if you don't, if you're like me and you don't really have time as much anymore to play it, yeah, all you need to do is come across to the billing section and click the cancel renewal box, which will be showing up if you're a member. So that's how you do it, and I hope you did find that helpful. If that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.